In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the invoice template in Odoo step by step using the Odoo online demo so you can follow along even if you don't have access to a live database right now. This is perfect if you want to customize the look of your invoices, match your brand style, or simply switch to a cleaner layout for your customers. We'll go through the exact clicks inside Odoo, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Odoo Demo, or directly click on the Odoo online demo link. This allows you to test features without logging into a real company database. Once the demo page loads, click on Demo Odoo Online. This will open a sample Odoo environment where you can explore the features freely. After the demo environment loads, navigate to the Accounting application, because invoice templates are managed through the Accounting and General settings in Odoo. From the Accounting dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Configuration. This is where Odoo groups all the important setup options related to accounting, invoicing, and documents. Next, from the Configuration menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings page for the Accounting app. On this page, you'll see multiple sections, so scroll if needed until you find the option called General Settings. Click on General Settings to access system-wide configuration options that affect documents like invoices, quotations, and reports. Inside General Settings, look for the option labeled Configure Document Layout. This is the key area where you can control how your invoices and other documents look when they are printed or sent as PDFs. Click on Configure Document Layout, and a configuration window will open. Here, Odoo gives you several predefined invoice and document layout templates to choose from. You'll see different styles that change the header, fonts, spacing, and overall design of your invoice. From the available options, click on the Wave template. This is just one example, and you can select any layout that best fits your brand or preference. As soon as you select the template, Odoo shows you a preview, so you can see how your invoice will look with that design. Take a moment to review the preview and make sure it matches what you want. Once you're happy with the selected invoice template, click on Continue to apply the changes. Odoo will save this layout as the default document layout for your invoices. From now on, whenever you generate or print an invoice, it will automatically use this new template. That's all it takes to change the invoice template in Odoo. As you can see, you don't need any coding or advanced customization just to switch layouts. This simple change can make a big difference in how professional your invoices look to customers. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Odoo tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.